Cloud Foundry Online Training. Introduction to Cloud Foundry. Cloud Foundry is an open-source platform as a service (PaaS) that provides developers with a framework and tools to deploy and scale applications quickly and easily. Here are some key points about Cloud Foundry. Cloud agnostic. Cloud Foundry is designed to run on various cloud infrastructure providers such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, VMware vSphere, and others. This allows developers to avoid vendor lock-in and choose the best cloud environment for their applications. Developer productivity. It simplifies the deployment and management of applications by automating many tasks such as provisioning, scaling, and networking. This enables developers to focus more on writing code rather than managing infrastructure. Build packs. Cloud Foundry uses build packs to package applications with their dependencies. Build packs provide a consistent environment for applications regardless of the underlying infrastructure, ensuring that applications run consistently in any Cloud Foundry deployment. Services Marketplace. It offers a marketplace where developers can easily add and configure services like databases, message queues, and caching services to their applications. These services are available as managed offerings, reducing the operational overhead for developers. Multi-tenancy and isolation. Cloud Foundry provides strong isolation between applications and tenants running on the platform. Each application runs in its own container, ensuring security and minimizing interference between applications. CLI and APIs. Developers interact with Cloud Foundry using a command line interface, CLI, or through APIs. This allows for automation of deployment processes and integration with CI/CD pipelines. Community and ecosystem. Being open source, Cloud Foundry has a vibrant community contributing to its development and ecosystem. This results in a wide range of tools, plugins, and integrations that extend its functionality and support various use cases. Architecture and components of Cloud Foundry. Cloud Foundry is an open-source platform as a service (PaaS) that simplifies the deployment and operation of cloud-native applications. Its architecture typically includes the following key components. Cloud Controller. This component manages the life cycle of applications within Cloud Foundry. It interacts with other components to schedule and orchestrate application deployment, scaling, and updates. Router. Responsible for directing incoming traffic to the appropriate application instances. It acts as a gateway for external requests and ensures load balancing across multiple instances of the same application. Diego. Container Runtime. Diego is the container orchestration system within Cloud Foundry. It schedules and manages the life cycle of containers that run application instances. Diego replaces the older DEAs, droplet execution agents, and provides a more robust container management framework. Blob Store, a repository for storing large binary objects, such as application packages and build packs. It ensures efficient storage and retrieval of application artifacts during deployment and scaling. Service Broker allows Cloud Foundry applications to connect with external services such as databases, message queues, and other cloud services. Service brokers provide a standardized interface for provisioning and managing these services. UA, User Account and Authentication, provides identity management and authentication services for Cloud Foundry. It manages user access to the platform and ensures secure communication between components. Logregator collects and streams logs and metrics from applications and platform components. It provides real-time visibility into application behavior and performance, aiding in troubleshooting and monitoring. Build packs define the runtime and dependencies required by an application. They are used during the staging process to package the application code into a runnable artifact. Cloud Foundry supports various build packs for different programming languages and frameworks. CLI, Command Line Interface, a command line tool used by developers and administrators to interact with Cloud Foundry. It provides commands for deploying applications, managing services, and monitoring platform activities. Doppler, part of Logregator, Doppler routes log and metric data from applications to logging endpoints. It ensures that logs are properly collected and delivered to logging services or endpoints. Cloud Foundry CLI and API. Cloud Foundry CLI, Command Line Interface. The Cloud Foundry CLI is a command line tool that allows developers and operators to interact with Cloud Foundry installations. Some key features include: login and authentication allows users to log into Cloud Foundry instances securely. Application management, commands for deploying, managing, scaling, and updating applications. Service management provides commands for managing services such as databases, message queues, etc., that applications may use. Space and organization management helps organize applications and resources within a Cloud Foundry deployment. Routing and networking, commands for managing routes and network configurations. Plugin system, extensible via plugins for additional functionality. Cloud Foundry API. The Cloud Foundry API provides a programmatic way to interact with Cloud Foundry environments. It allows for automation, integration with CI/CD pipelines, and custom tooling development. Some key aspects of the API include: RESTful interface built on standard HTTP methods GET, POST, PUT, DELETE for resource management. Authentication uses OAuth tokens for secure access to resources. Endpoints provides endpoints for managing organizations, spaces, applications, services, users, and more. Versioning supports different versions of the API to ensure compatibility across deployments. Documentation. Comprehensive API documentation is available to guide developers on usage and capabilities. Typical use cases: automated deployments, using CI/CD pipelines to deploy applications to Cloud Foundry. Scaling and management, scaling applications up or down based on demand. Integration with external tools, integrating monitoring, logging, and other third-party services. Scripting and automation, writing scripts to automate routine tasks. Managing services in Cloud Foundry. Managing services in Cloud Foundry involves several key steps to ensure smooth integration and operation within your applications. Here are the primary aspects to consider. Service Marketplace Cloud Foundry provides a marketplace where various services, databases, messaging queues, caching services, etc., are listed. These services can be offered by platform operators or third-party vendors. Provisioning services. To use a service from the marketplace, you typically need to provision an instance of that service. This involves specifying parameters such as service plan, like free, trial, or production, instance name, and possibly other configuration options. Binding services. Once you have provisioned a service instance, you can bind it to your application. Binding connects the service instance to your application, allowing your app to access the service. Example, database credentials injected into your app's environment. Environment variables. Services usually expose credentials and other configuration details through environment variables. Cloud Foundry automatically injects these variables into your application's runtime environment when you bind a service. Scaling services. Some service instances can be scaled independently of your application. For example, you might scale a database service instance to handle more connections or storage needs without changing your application's deployment. Managing service instances. Cloud Foundry allows you to manage service instances directly through commands like creating, deleting, updating, and viewing service instances. This can be done through the CLI, CF commands, or platform-specific management interfaces. Service Broker API. Cloud Foundry uses a Service Broker API to integrate with external service providers. Service brokers implement this API to enable Cloud Foundry to provision, manage, and connect to services offered by external providers. Service plans and access controls. Service plans define different tiers of service, example, basic, premium, with varying resource limits and features. Access controls ensure that only authorized applications and users can provision or access specific service instances. Logging and monitoring. Monitoring service usage, performance, and health is crucial. Cloud Foundry often integrates with logging and monitoring tools to provide visibility into service instance metrics and usage patterns. Security. Ensuring the security of service credentials and data is paramount. Cloud Foundry offers mechanisms to manage secrets securely and control access to sensitive information. Scaling applications with Cloud Foundry. Scaling applications with Cloud Foundry is a straightforward process designed to handle varying workloads and ensure optimal performance. Here are the key points to understand about scaling applications in Cloud Foundry. Horizontal scaling. Cloud Foundry allows you to scale your application horizontally by adding more instances of the application. This is useful when you need to handle increased traffic or improve application availability. Manifest file. To define scaling configurations, you can use a manifest file, manifest.yml. In this file, you specify details such as the number of instances, and the amount of memory allocated to each instance. Command line interface. CLI. Cloud Foundry provides a CLI tool, CF, that allows you to manage your applications, including scaling. You can use commands like CF scale followed by your application name and the desired number of instances to scale up or down. Autoscaling. Cloud Foundry also supports autoscaling, where you can define rules based on metrics like CPU usage, memory usage, or custom metrics. When these thresholds are met, Cloud Foundry automatically adjusts the number of instances to maintain performance. Service instance scaling. Apart from application instances, Cloud Foundry also supports scaling service instances like databases or messaging queues. This ensures that backend services can also handle increased loads. Monitoring. Monitoring tools integrated with Cloud Foundry or external monitoring services can help you track application performance and adjust scaling configurations based on real-time data. Deployment strategies. When deploying updates or new versions, Cloud Foundry supports strategies like blue-green deployment, which minimizes downtime and allows for seamless scaling of new versions. High availability and resilience in Cloud Foundry. High availability, and resilience are crucial aspects of any Cloud Foundry deployment to ensure continuous availability and reliability of applications. Here are some key points to consider. Component redundancy. Cloud Foundry employs multiple components, such as routers, Diego cells, and databases, that can be deployed redundantly across different availability zones, AZs, within a cloud provider's region. This redundancy ensures that if one AZ fails, the system can still operate from other AZs. Load balancing. Routers in Cloud Foundry use load balancing to distribute incoming requests across multiple instances of applications and across multiple Cloud Foundry components. This helps in handling increased traffic and prevents overloading of any single instance or component. Health monitoring and self-healing. Cloud Foundry monitors the health of its components continuously. If a component or instance becomes unhealthy or fails, the platform can automatically restart the failed instance or route traffic away from it, ensuring minimal disruption to applications. Database resilience. Databases used with Cloud Foundry should be configured for high availability and data durability. This typically involves setting up database clusters that replicate data across multiple nodes or instances. Cloud Foundry can integrate with various databases that support high availability features. Backup and disaster recovery. Implementing regular backups and disaster recovery plans are essential for maintaining data integrity and recovering from catastrophic failures. Cloud Foundry provides tools and mechanisms to perform backups of application data and system configurations. Network and security. Ensuring robust network configurations, secure communication channels, and access controls are critical for maintaining the integrity and security of Cloud Foundry deployments. Overall, Cloud Foundry's architecture and design principles emphasize resilience and high availability, making it suitable for running mission-critical applications in production environments. Configuring these features correctly based on your specific cloud provider's capabilities and best practices is key to achieving a highly available and resilient Cloud Foundry deployment. Security features and considerations in Cloud Foundry. Cloud Foundry, like any cloud-based platform, incorporates several security features and requires careful consideration of security practices. Here are some key security features and considerations in Cloud Foundry. Security features. Container isolation. Applications run in isolated containers, providing a level of security between applications. Role-based access control, RBAC granular access controls ensure that users and applications have appropriate permissions based on their roles. Network segmentation, communication between components and applications within Cloud Foundry can be secured using network segmentation techniques. Identity and access management, IAM integration with IAM systems allows for centralized authentication and authorization management. Data encryption, encryption of data at rest and in transit ensures data security within the platform. Audit logging, comprehensive audit logging helps track access and usage, aiding in security monitoring and compliance. Platform security services, services such as Secure Service Instance Credentials, S-Service Broker, provide enhanced security for service credentials. Security considerations. Secure application development, follow best practices for secure coding and application design to mitigate vulnerabilities in deployed applications. Patch management, regularly update Cloud Foundry components and underlying infrastructure to protect against known vulnerabilities. Monitoring and logging, implement robust monitoring and logging to detect and respond to security incidents promptly. Compliance requirements, ensure that Cloud Foundry configurations meet industry-specific compliance standards, example GDPR, HIPAA, if applicable. API security, secure APIs used to interact with Cloud Foundry to prevent unauthorized access and protect data integrity. Third-party services, assess the security of third-party services and integrations used within Cloud Foundry deployments. Incident response plan, have a well-defined incident response plan to address security breaches and mitigate their impact. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, with Cloud Foundry. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, with Cloud Foundry involves automating the processes of building, testing, and deploying applications on the Cloud Foundry platform. Here's how it typically works. Setting up CI/CD pipeline. You start by setting up a CI/CD pipeline using tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, or Travis CI. These tools help automate the steps from code commit to deployment. Integration with Cloud Foundry. Integrate your CI/CD tool with Cloud Foundry. Cloud Foundry provides a CLI, command line interface, and RESTful APIs that allow you to interact programmatically. Build and test. When code changes are pushed to your version control system, like Git, the CI/CD tool triggers a build process. This involves compiling code, running unit tests, and possibly integration tests. Artifact creation. After successful builds and tests, artifacts, such as binaries or Docker images, are created. These artifacts are then packaged and stored for deployment. Deployment to Cloud Foundry. The CI/CD pipeline automates the deployment process to Cloud Foundry. This typically involves using the CF-CLI or Cloud Foundry API to push the application, configure services, and bind routes. Continuous delivery. CI/CD pipelines can be configured for continuous delivery, where every successful build triggers an automatic deployment to a staging environment. This ensures that every code change is potentially deployable to production. Monitoring and feedback. Monitor the deployed applications on Cloud Foundry to gather metrics and ensure they are running smoothly. Feedback from monitoring can trigger further actions in the CI/CD pipeline, such as rollbacks or scaling adjustments. Best practices for Cloud Foundry development. Developing applications for Cloud Foundry involves adhering to several best practices to ensure efficient deployment, scalability, and maintainability. Here are some key best practices for Cloud Foundry development. 12-factor app principles. Follow the 12-factor app methodology, which includes guidelines for factors like configuration, dependencies, and concurrency. This ensures your application is portable and scalable. Use build packs. Cloud Foundry uses build packs to detect and provide runtime support for your applications. Always use the appropriate build pack for your application's language and framework to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Environment variables for configuration. Store configurations such as API keys, database URIs, and other sensitive information in environment variables. Cloud Foundry allows you to manage these securely without hardcoding them in your codebase. Service binding. Leverage Cloud Foundry's service marketplace and binding capabilities to connect your application to backing services such as databases, message queues, and caching services. This enables easier scaling and management of your application. Health checks. Implement health checks within your application to allow Cloud Foundry to monitor its state and responsiveness. This helps Cloud Foundry make intelligent decisions about restarting or scaling your application instances. Logging. Use Cloud Foundry's logging services to capture application logs. Configure your application to output logs in a structured format that facilitates debugging and monitoring. Application security. Follow best practices for application security, such as input validation, securing communications with HTTPS, and implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms. Automated deployment. Utilize continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines to automate the deployment process. This ensures consistency and reliability in deploying updates to your application. Scaling. Design your application to be horizontally scalable. Cloud Foundry makes it easy to scale your application by simply adjusting the number of instances based on workload demands. Monitoring and metrics. Implement monitoring and metrics collection within your application. Cloud Foundry integrates with monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana, allowing you to gain insights into application performance and resource usage. Blue-green deployments. Implement blue-green or rolling deployments to minimize downtime and reduce the risk of introducing errors during updates. Case studies and use cases of Cloud Foundry. Cloud Foundry is widely used across various industries and for a multitude of purposes. Here are some common case studies and use cases where Cloud Foundry has been successfully implemented. Continuous delivery and DevOps. Cloud Foundry facilitates rapid application deployment and automation, supporting continuous integration and delivery (CI/CD) pipelines. Companies like Allstate and Express Scripts have used Cloud Foundry to streamline their development processes. Multi-cloud deployment. Organizations leverage Cloud Foundry's ability to deploy applications consistently across different cloud environments, reducing vendor lock-in. Swisscom, for example, uses it to manage applications across multiple public and private clouds. Scalability and high availability. Cloud Foundry helps businesses achieve high scalability and availability for their applications. Companies like Comcast and Boeing have utilized it to manage large-scale applications with varying demand. Microservices architecture. Cloud Foundry supports microservices-based architectures, enabling companies to decompose applications into smaller, independently deployable services. This approach is used by companies like Garmin and T-Mobile for better agility and scalability. Enterprise IT transformation. Large enterprises such as GE and Ford have adopted Cloud Foundry to modernize their IT infrastructure, enabling faster innovation and agility in application development. IoT and edge computing. Cloud Foundry's support for edge deployments and integration with IoT platforms allows organizations to build and manage applications at the edge of the network. Bosch uses Cloud Foundry for their IoT initiatives. Compliance and security. Companies in highly regulated industries, such as healthcare and finance, use Cloud Foundry to ensure compliance with industry standards while maintaining robust security controls. Examples include Kaiser Permanente and JP Morgan Chase. Startups and innovation. Cloud Foundry's ease of use and scalability make it popular among startups looking to quickly develop and deploy applications without worrying about underlying infrastructure. Companies like Zipcar and ZipRecruiter have benefited from this approach. What is Cloud Foundry and why use it? Cloud Foundry is an open-source platform as a service, PaaS, that provides a powerful runtime environment for applications. Here's why it's widely used. Simplicity in deployment. Cloud Foundry simplifies the deployment of applications by abstracting away the underlying infrastructure details. Developers can focus more on writing code rather than managing infrastructure. Multi-cloud support. It supports deployment across various cloud providers like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and even on-premises environments, offering flexibility in where applications are hosted. Automation and scalability. Cloud Foundry automates many aspects of application lifecycle management, such as scaling applications based on load, updating applications seamlessly, and handling failovers. Developer productivity. Developers can quickly push code changes using a command line interface, CLI, or APIs, which streamlines development and testing cycles. Built-in services. It provides access to a marketplace of pre-configured services, databases, messaging queues, etc., that can be easily integrated with applications, reducing development time and complexity. Security and compliance. Cloud Foundry includes built-in security features such as containerization, secure communication channels, and access control mechanisms, making it easier to comply with security policies and regulations. Overall, Cloud Foundry helps organizations accelerate application delivery, improve scalability, and enhance developer productivity by abstracting away infrastructure concerns and providing a consistent platform across different environments. What are the key components of Cloud Foundry? Cloud Foundry is a popular open-source platform as a service, PaaS, that provides developers with a framework and set of tools for deploying and managing applications. Key components of Cloud Foundry typically include Cloud Controller, CC, the central component that manages applications, users, and virtualized resources. It interacts with the underlying infrastructure to provision and manage resources. Router routes incoming traffic to the appropriate application instances. It acts as a load balancer across application instances. Diego, container runtime responsible for running application instances in containers. Diego manages the life cycle of containers, including staging, starting, scaling, and stopping application instances. Blob Store stores application source code, build packs, and droplets. It's used by Diego during the staging process to create executable packages, droplets, from application source code. Health Manager monitors the health of application instances and restarts them if they fail. It ensures that the desired number of instances are running. UA, User Account and Authentication, provides authentication and authorization services for Cloud Foundry. It handles user authentication, client registration, and access token management. Service Broker API allows developers to connect and use external services like databases, messaging systems with their applications. Service brokers provide a way to provision, bind, and manage service instances. Logregator collects and streams logs from applications and system components. It aggregates logs from multiple sources and routes them to logging endpoints for analysis and monitoring. Build packs provide a framework and runtime support for applications deployed on Cloud Foundry. Build packs detect the type of application being deployed and automatically provide the necessary runtime environment. These components work together to provide developers with a seamless environment for deploying, scaling, and managing applications without needing to manage the underlying infrastructure directly. Why choose ProExcellency for Cloud Foundry online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Cloud Foundry online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expert trainers, ProExcellency likely offers training conducted by experienced professionals who have practical, hands-on experience with Cloud Foundry. This ensures that the training is not just theoretical but also practical and applicable to real-world scenarios. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are likely to cover all aspects of Cloud Foundry, from basic concepts to advanced topics like deployment strategies, scaling applications, and managing services. Hands-on labs. They probably provide hands-on labs and exercises that allow you to apply what you learn in a simulated environment, which is crucial for gaining practical experience. Flexible learning options. Online training with ProExcellency means you can learn at your own pace and schedule, fitting your learning around your professional and personal commitments. Certification preparation. If they offer certification preparation, it can be a significant advantage, as Cloud Foundry certifications can enhance your credibility and career prospects in cloud computing. Community and support. Being part of their training program likely gives you access to a community of learners and support from instructors, which can be invaluable for networking and troubleshooting. Thank you.